On the home, click on Trade. On the Trade screen, click on Fiat. On the Fiat screen, click on Optional. On Optional interface, you can see Buy and Sell options. To buy, select the seller crypto, click on Buy button. Enter the amount you wish to purchase. After confirming the details and entered amount, click on Place an order. Your order will be successfully done. Then you can see the Do Payment option from the screen. Click on To Pay to proceed. The payment account details will be on the screen. After making the payment, click on I have already paid successfully. Agree with Terms and Conditions box and click on Confirm. To contact the seller, click on Contact Seller. Here you can chat with the seller and confirm your transaction with providing a screenshot of the payment you have made. Wait for the seller to confirm the transaction. If the seller, yet after your payment, does not release the payment within the counter time, you can click on Appeal for the support team or the seller to get notified about your case.